Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Amanda of Inspiring Inkin. Welcome to my craft room. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the blades on your new Stampin' Up trimmer. It's going to be a really quick video, so let's turn the camera around and get started. I have done a full video about this trimmer. I will pop a link to it below if you're on YouTube or on my blog, so you'll be able to go and see that. There are two blades on the trimmer. This paler one is the scoring blade and this darker one is the cutting blade, and that's the one that you will need to replace over time. Now, in order to maximise your length of time for using your blade, make sure that you use it both ways. So quite often we tend to sort of cut down when we're cutting, but if you can cut up as well, because the blade is a V shape, so it will cut both ways. So these are the replacement blades. They come in a multi-pack. And I'll just get them out. And they're basically kept in the plastic because obviously the blade is sharp. Ooh. Now I am hoping that I'm going to be able to zoom in close enough for you to be able to see that V-shaped blade or triangular blade that I mentioned before. So obviously you've got a cutting edge on both sides. So let's get the trimmer into shot, and I'm just going to get a piece of scrap paper to put underneath because I think that is going to help. So I'll just lift this up. So in order to replace the blade, you need to bring the blade to this piece here, and it's a little bump or a little extra cutout in the track. So the track is this bit that the blade slides up and down, and just here is an extra bump, and basically all you do is you bring your blade down to there, so the front edge of the blade is in that bump, and you just pull it up and pull it along and pull it up, and it just falls out. So hopefully you can see just there's like an extra piece of plastic there, and it's that piece that secures it. So here's the new one, and you're just doing the same in reverse. So this bumpy piece here, you're going to put that in to where the hole is and just pull it along, and it will just fall into place. And there you go. And there is your new blade, all good to go. So I hope that has helped you with replacing your blade on your new Stampin' Up trimmer. If you have any questions, do let me know. You can purchase the products that I've used today from my online store. So you can either go to my blog, which is www.inspiringinkin.com, or just scroll down and you'll see links to all the products that I've used, whether you're on my blog or YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.